So I finished gluing the cleaver band. It's a little bit messy, but I think it's pretty good. I think it's on pretty well. So it's important to get maximum coverage, so I made sure I put the bead on in the middle of the band. On the outside it looks much cleaner, much better. The Compre band came out spectacular. And of course the most important part is the bottom, the sill. This is where all the moisture comes in from a house. That looks pretty good.
Well, I'm a man, and I've been trying my hands, doing the best that I can, keep getting by. But I fell alone, and all my closet's got bones, with only half of them known, they're falling out. Please take these chains, take my heart, spin it in sin or fall apart. Can't be standing to be holding cards when the lights go out. I need the rock, need the roll, got a feeling, gotta go. Can't see the waves, it will let it show without a little help. Please take these help. Well, I got a son, and after all that I've done, probably should have been shunned. I stand tall. Well, he used to say, well, Daddy, why don't you pray? Though my spirit's afraid, I'm pulling through. Please take these chains, take my heart, spin in sin or fall apart. Can't be standing to be holding cards when the lights go out. I need the rock, need the roll, got a feeling, gotta go. Can't see where the light is shown with a little help. Please take my help.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life. I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, put your hand to the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light. Ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel, I took a red pill, I know life's short so I wanna live real good. How's it supposed to feel?
This makes everything.
How's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? wanna say my name, but they holding back. They wanna say they hate, but they know it's cap. I ain't play no games, I just do that's fact. And I don't feel no shame, it's a mood you lack. I go crazy, nah, but I ain't lazy. Track after track, I work on this shit daily. Pass me the jack, right as fuel, got me hazy. About to unpack all these things I've been chasing. I've got visions in my head, like memories after death. To be a legend instead of something you can forget. I'm living up every breath, I'd rather lead than be led. I'll fill the seats as I spread, with every word that I've said. How's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel?
Down. Take it apart. Yo, I'm mentally like that. That's crazy. Dude, that went all the way. Dude, that's not good. See that?
No. I didn't see it.
Look, it's going, it keeps turning.
Yeah, there's like a free space in there.
You think the drill press I went to, I drilled too deep? That's not one.
No, depending on what's built inside.
Right,
It might
maybe
be
hollow.
like I just forget.
One screw is
I
fine.
just forget these words.
That's fine. I understand. But my concern is that one screw is the problem. Look, those Isn't that weird? Let's draw it out. Let's try. Getting OCD now. What's the point of having a screw if it's not biting? It's so bad.
Is it loose? You pull it out. Can you pull it out? No, without it, you can just pull it out with
Wow.
your fingers. No, then it should be alright.
Sure?
Yeah.
Maybe it is hollow in there. Alright, we have no idea. Now I don't feel as bad. That one's weird. Yeah, it's just worthless. Doesn't matter if it's fast. Good.
Perfect.
Yeah. It's cool when you go driving and stuff. How deep do I go though? You had to stab it first, I forgot. There you go. Why? We're on the wrong setting. You got the other drills? It should be in one of those bags outside. The ones I bought. Alright. Ready to go? Yeah, ball bearings rolling around, right? I bought these tools broken, I told you, right? Maybe we'll go to Leipzig to the same guy that we bought it from and buy another pallet. Dude, Parkside sells every tool that you need. It's all... Because they're short length and the big ones that go in the masonry are big length, so we're only using the 2 holes. So you need more screws for added strength, while the other ones are using big screws. Do you understand? Yeah. So it equals out. Because the length of these screws are so short, while the length of the masonry side is really big. And we only have 2 of them. It's almost like this was made for this purpose. Right?